Is Sweatcoin legit? Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna give you the answer of this question, that is Sweatcoin legit? And I'm also going to give you the Sweatcoin review. So first of all, you just have to download and install the Sweatcoin mobile application in your device. And if you already don't know, then let me tell you that how the Sweatcoin application actually works. So basically, if you allow certain settings, then this application is going to count your steps of every single day, and it is going to give you some coins that we called sweat coins, which you can then use in order to convert into real money, or in order to grab some of the offers on some other websites. So over here, if you tap on the shop button in the bottom, then you will be able to see various types of offers which you can use your sweat coins to spend, and you will be able to get those offers. Then you just have to go to the official website of that particular offer, and there you will be able to easily redeem the 65% offers, the 20% offers, etc. Here you will also be able to see the Sweat wallet application. So in order to get it, you need to tap on the balance tab in the top right hand corner, and then you need to tap on the option that says you are working for crypto. Here you will be able to see the prompt which is saying you that the first steps you take every day will be converted into sweat, and the rest into sweat coins. So here you just have to tap on the open Sweat wallet, and the Sweatcoin application also has its Sweat wallet. So in the Sweat wallet, you are basically going to earn crypto which is named as sweat. So whenever you walk every single day, your first few steps are converted into sweats, and here you will be able to see the current pricing of one sweat. So as you can see that the one sweat is around 0.005947 cents as of right now. So here, in order to transfer it, you just have to tap on the transfer button, and then you just have to select sweat. Afterwards, you just have to get it into any other exchanges of yours that you are using, like Binance, OKX, KuCoin, MEXC, etc. And from there you can easily withdraw them into USDT and then in your bank account. So the Sweatcoin application is 100% legit, as I use it myself every single day. So if I show you my transactions, then you will be able to see that in the transaction history you will be able to see that I have gained a lot of sweat as well as a lot of sweat coins. Currently I have 130 sweat coins in my account, so if I want, I can easily spend them on purchasing these offers on their official website, and I will also be able to convert my sweats into the USDT in any other application. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.